in Python. So like I will show you one string. Like we have string. We will write it as a string equals to some string. Let's say I would like to put some name. It's you can say nation, NASHANT. So I would like to just reverse that string. So what we'll use just it will put a string equals to string and then colon -1 that we use. So what it will do, it will just start counting from the end. It's G as a first and then N is second, A is third. All right. So just show we'll just check it as an output and then string. How it is showing. So as you can see, it's TNAHSIN. TNAHSIN. Okay, it's NISHANT. All right, so it has reversed the string very